Hi, this is Durga Prasad and my register number is VR15CS220. Today I am going to explain about a network program, that is the virtual LAN, and then to configure, my aim is to configure the intra and inter VLAN using packet tracer. What is meant by virtual LAN? So here is the definition. So virtual LAN is any broadcast domain that is partitioned and isolated in a computer network at the data link layer. So that is DLI. OLI, and then the virtual LANs is used to divide one physical network into multiple broadcast domains. So there are two types of VLAN, that is intra VLAN and inter VLAN. So this is the topology for the inter VLAN, sorry, intra VLAN. So here is the topology I have created. So when we see this topology, we can easily understand that. So here is that my topology. Let's make it the center. Just sorry, just wait a second. So here is my topology. So I have created taken the 6 end devices, that is each with two faculty and two students and guest, and then their IP addresses. For example, for faculty 172.17.10.21 is the IP address, and then for the another faculty, that is on the opposite side, that is 172.117.10.24. So this is that this is the intra VLAN. So what is the different main advantage of what is the main different of intra VLAN is that we can combine the different VLANs into a single VLAN by using this intra VLAN technique. So for example, if we consider this faculty and these two are the one VLAN type, but we can access when we combine with this through the intra VLAN, we can able to access any of the opposite side, that is student or guest, anything we can access from this faculty one. So in order to achieve this, I have used 3 switches and 1 router. So in order to enable these, there are some conditions. So commands to enable that. So in order to switch configure VLAN, this is the name. First of all, we need to give that for the switch, we need to give the faculty or name, anything for that topology name, and then switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 10. So like that, we need to give the commands in order to enable those switches. So here are the commands to for intra VLAN, inter VLAN. So what are the IP addresses I have already set here, so no need to check here. So this is the IP address I need to give here. So in order to enable the router, first of all, we need to go to the enable CLI enable everything I need to give, right? Enable conf everything I have to give. So after this, um, we'll enter into the global configuration mode. Once we enter the global configuration mode, we can easily give the IP address and everything here. So after that, we need to enable the switches, and after that, I need to give the IP addresses statically to each of the values. So I have given the IP address and subnet mask, but I didn't give the default gateway. So there is no need of this default gateway, so I didn't give that thing. And then I have given I have allotted IP address for all the PCs and for all the router and everything. So here VLAN trunks configured to support VLAN 10, 20, 30. So VLAN trunks will support VLAN. This is VLAN 10, VLAN 20, and VLAN 30. So these 3 VLANs can be combined in this intra VLAN, so that we can be able to access any of the VLAN from anywhere. So for example, so in order to check this, we'll try with this thing. We'll go to the desktop and go to command prompt run. So I'll try to ping with the other devices. So let's try to ping with the 172.117.10.24. So I have given the ping address, so it's pinging with that. The total bytes of data has been sent there. So my program is running successfully. We will try with the other thing also. So we'll go to desktop, command prompt, try to give the other IP address. So 170.17.20.25. So I have given this IP address, and it is, oh sorry, I didn't give the ping address. So we'll try to give this ping address. given correctly now. So it is sending the data, and then no, without loss all the four packets has been sent there. So my program my experiment is working clearly, and my topology is correct in the intra VLAN structure. For mistakenly I have written my name here, inter VLAN, so no problem.